Are you wrestling with the complexities of managing your company's finances? Perhaps it's time to get acquainted with QuickBooks, a comprehensive solution designed to simplify your accounting processes and help you navigate the financial aspects of your business with ease. QuickBooks comes in various versions, each tailored to cater to different business needs. Whether it's QuickBooks Online for those who prefer the convenience of cloud-based access, or QuickBooks Desktop for those who require more advanced features, choose a version that aligns with your company's unique requirements. Scene script. Once you've chosen a suitable version, kickstart your QuickBooks journey by setting up an account and selecting a subscription plan. Fill in your company's basic details such as name, address, industry, and fiscal year to create a company profile. Next, customize your chart of accounts. This unique feature allows you to reflect your company's specific financial structure and categories, making it easier to keep track of assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. QuickBooks also enables you to connect your company's bank and credit card accounts, letting you automatically import transactions for a seamless financial management experience. Make sure to reconcile these transactions regularly to maintain accuracy and spot any discrepancies. Recording daily financial transactions becomes a breeze with QuickBooks. Whether it's sales, purchases, expenses, or payments, every transaction can be recorded and categorized accurately using the chart of accounts. QuickBooks isn't just about recording transactions, though. It also empowers you to generate various financial reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. This helps you analyze your company's financial performance and make informed decisions. Managing your accounts receivable and payable is also simplified with QuickBooks. From invoicing customers to recording payments received, and from entering bills to tracking payments to vendors, QuickBooks has you covered. But that's not all. QuickBooks offers a plethora of additional features like payroll processing, inventory management, and budgeting tools that can be customized to meet your specific accounting needs and preferences. To stay on top of your game, keep yourself updated about the latest QuickBooks features and consider attending training sessions or online tutorials to enhance your skills. Lastly, remember to regularly review and reconcile your financial data for accuracy and back up your QuickBooks data to prevent data loss and ensure data security. By following these steps and harnessing the power of QuickBooks, you can transform the way you handle your company's finances. So, dive in, explore, and experience the efficiency that QuickBooks brings to your accounting processes.